Are you wondering how to change background on your Windows 11 login screen? Then you have to watch this short video tutorial as we would show you exactly how to do that. First up, type and search for lock screen settings in the Windows search bar, then click Open. Now in the login screen, you can select the background as the Windows Spotlight, Picture, or create a slideshow of pictures. Now if you choose the Windows Spotlight, this will daily update with the images from all over the world and auto show up on your lock screen. In the lock screen status field, you can also choose which app to show detailed status or which app show quick status on the lock screen. Now if you would like, the sign-in screen is same with the lock screen. You can set the show lock screen background picture on the sign-in screen to on. Otherwise, the sign-in screen will display a plain background. Now that's how easy you can change the background on your Windows 11 login screen. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.